In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira workflow from scratch so you can better organize your projects and streamline your team's processes. To get started, log into your Jira account and open the project you want to work on. Once you're inside, head over to the board view. This is where you can see all your tasks and their current status, giving you a clear overview of how your project is progressing. Now move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to additional settings and tools that aren't visible on the main interface. From the drop-down options, select Manage Workflow. This will take you to the Workflow Editor, which is where you'll build and customize your workflow. Inside the workflow editor, you'll see a visual diagram of your current workflow. This layout shows how tasks move from one stage to another, such as to do, in progress, and done. The great thing about this editor is that it's interactive. You can click, drag, and modify elements directly. To create your workflow from scratch, start by adding statuses. These represent the different stages of your process. For example, you might add stages like backlog, in review, or completed, depending on your project needs. Next, connect these statuses using transitions. Transitions define how tasks move from one stage to another. For example, a task can move from to do to in progress and then to done. Setting up clear transitions ensures your workflow is structured and easy to follow. You can also customize each step by adding rules, conditions, or validators. These help control how and when tasks move between stages, making your workflow more precise and aligned with your team's process. As you build your workflow, take time to arrange everything in a logical order. A well-structured workflow improves clarity, helps your team stay aligned, and makes project tracking much easier. Once you're satisfied with your setup, save and publish your workflow so it becomes active in your project. And that's it. You've now created a Jira workflow from scratch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and practical guides like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.